Bakit ba ang bagal-bagal natin mag-decide? Bakit ba dinelay natin yung decisions, right? Because again, we want it to be perfect. So, i-delay natin siya. We delay because we don't know the answer. We delay because we are unsure. We are uncertain. Hindi tayo sure, hindi sigurado. But I want you to remember that if everybody knows the answer, the opportunity is not there anymore. Kaya nga ang mga successful at mayayaman, I'm talking about the real millionaires, the real successful people. They are not striving for perfection. They're doing it over and over, and yes, they will fail more. Mas maraming beses sila magpa-fail. But since sobrang daming failure, alam na nila yung mali. Alam na rin nila yung tama. So sila yung unang makaka-discover ano yung tamang gawin. Pangalawa, sila yung tumatatag. Sila yung natututo. And I want you to understand that if you cannot handle stress, you cannot handle success. You trying to be perfect won't help you achieve your dreams, won't help you to become successful. Kasi maliban sa delayed yung decision mo, hindi ka natututo, hindi ka gumagaling. Tumataas lang yung ego mo and you just want to look good. Success is not about looking good. Success is about creating value.